Hi there, and welcome to What's Mark Cooking. Today I'll be cooking another classic Italian meal, chicken cacciatore. I've never cooked this meal before, but it looks pretty straightforward, so let's get the pots and pans out and let's get cooking. For today's recipe, we're going to require about 250 grams of chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use any part of the chicken you like. 200 grams of diced tomato, 1 small capsicum, 1 small onion, 3 mushrooms, 1 clove of garlic, a cup of chicken stock, and some salt and pepper to taste. First off, let's get some heat into the pan and a dash of your favourite oil. I'm using canola oil, but you can use any oil you like. It's about a teaspoon. We've got a fair amount of temperature in that pan and it's coming along quite nicely, I think. It's time. We're just searing the chicken at this stage. We're not cooking it all the way through, just getting the little colour on both sides. This will take about 5 or 6 minutes on the first side, and then we'll turn it over. Let's see how it's going. Oh, that's a nice colour on that one. Yeah, it's going okay too. We'll leave it on this side now for about 3 or 4 minutes, then we'll take it out and add our vegetables. It's time to start cutting up the onion, the capsicum and the mushrooms. Whilst the chicken's cooking away, we'll prepare our vegetables. First the mushrooms. Reasonably thin slices, not too thick, not too thin. Next the capsicum. Cut it in half. Remove all the seeds from the middle. One half, other half. Now we're going to cut these into thin strips. That's done. And lastly, the onion. Take the skin off, cut it in half. We'll cut the onion into the same size pieces as the capsicum. And that's done. Only thing left is the garlic. Put that into your garlic press. And there's all your garlic goodness. With all our ingredients cut up, let's have a see how chicken's going. At this stage, we're not cooking the chicken all the way through, we're just sealing it on both sides. This one looks fine to me. This one, that's fine too. Time to reduce the onions and the capsicum. It looks like it's too much for my pan, but they will reduce. Give it a bit of a stir. I think the onions and the capsicum have reduced by about a half. It's time now to add in the mushrooms. Let them cook away and reduce a little bit as well. Probably a good time is in it to add the salt and pepper. Give it a bit of a stir. Mushrooms do hold quite a bit of moisture, and you can see they're already starting to reduce in size as they've been cooking. I think the mushrooms are cooked enough. It's time to add in the chicken stock. We'll let that go for about 10 minutes and we'll come back and check on it. It's been about 6 or 7 minutes since I added the chicken stock. Time now to add the tomato. Mix it all in together. After adding the tomato in, we'll let it go for another 5 or 6 minutes before we add in our chicken. That's looking really good. I think it's time to add the chicken. All the juices. I've covered the chicken with the onion, capsicum, mushroom mix. Get some of those flavours into that chicken. Let it go about 15-20 minutes, I think it might be just about ready. Let's check and see how it's going. Looks great, it's cooked. Looks yummy. Time to dish up. Now that's a hearty meal for one. Time for that all-important moment of truth, the taste test. Chicken's cooked all the way through. It's great. I hope you liked today's recipe, and if you did, hit the like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Don't forget, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.